Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a Shopify store. If you're thinking to create your store in 2026, then this video is very helpful for you. In this video, we will cover everything related to creating a store. So let's get started. First of all, you need to come in your Chrome browser and right now here you need to search Shopify login. Now here you will see first site and you have to click on this site. After some processing, you will redirect to this page and here you have to start for free. Here you can continue with your mail or you can continue with your Google account or Facebook or Apple. But I'm just going with Google. And here this is my mail and I'm just continuing with this account. Here I am redirected to this payment page. Start for free, stay for $1. So what mean by this page? This mean by that for first 3 months you have to pay $1 and then you need to pay at least $30 per month. But we have to skip right now. Now we have to start creating our Shopify store. So what can we help you do? So you can select sale online or sale in store or drop shipping, whatever your store is about. I'm just going to select with sale online. And what should we call your store? So I'm just calling this take store. And you can just skip this right now, but I'm just going with this and continue this. After a few seconds, now you are at the dashboard of Shopify. You are all set. Now this is our take store. Again, you can create multiple store with this, but right now we are going to just create and do little bit setting of this store. Okay, so here you will see the option of add products. So right now you can click this add products. Before this, I'm just going to customize the theme of our store. So to customize theme, you have to select on this customize theme. And this is AI bot which is helping you to customize your theme. Right now you will see lots of these very customized pages. These are the themes. I'm just going to select this and I'm going to add one. This will take some time, like it's going to install. And you can view your store right now here. But for this right now, close, close this and let's get back to the products page. Now we have to add some products. To add product, either you can import the product or you can add your product. So I'm just going to add products. So let's suppose I have a t-shirt. and I don't have any t-shirt. I have just take a store. So I'm just going to search some laptops, gadgets. So laptop. I just search the laptop here, and here we have HP 15. I'm just going to save this page, and we have the image, and I am now going to the to our chat GPT. We will write the description and title from chat GPT. Hey chat GPT, hey GPT, I have the HP laptop available uh, on the Shopify for my store. Write the description and title for this laptop. Okay, we need these details. I'm just going to add dummy. Okay, now we have this detail, and I'm just going to copy this detail once and paste here. And let's cut this and paste here. Now we are going to add the images. So we have downloaded the image right now, and the images, let me think. So we have this image. Now let's set the prices. The file is not supported. Okay, let's try another. Let's try this one. Okay, now let's add these images, and okay, now let's add the price. So our price is $400, but let's add in 120. So I'm just going to add in the PKR, Pakistani rupees, and now everything is set. So let's add the in pounds. It's 2 pounds. Sorry, it's 1 pound, 3 pound. Okay, now it's all set, and let's save. Now let's refresh this page, and can we see our product? These are the dummy product available on the this theme. Okay, congratulations, you added your first product. Okay, let's refresh again. Can we see the product? Yeah, our product is finally available. And if we click on this, you can see here HP Elite 840 G8, and this is the complete description written from ChatGPT. And now you can see this is looking very beautiful. Okay, let's go back, and now we understand that how to create a complete store. In the next video, we will do the complete branding of this page, adding accounts, to creating everything, collection page, and we will customize this page also. So yeah, that's all from this video. I hope you like this video. So let's meet in the next video.